Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be a Zara try on haul. Basically the other things that I got from Zara from the video that I literally just uploaded. Yeah, some really nice wintry items, perfect for this season, perfect for this weather, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on the things from Zara, and hopefully we can have some fun together for a few minutes. So this is a really like Kendall Jenner look. I see that she loves to show off her abs. She's got a great figure. But yeah, this like knit top, struggling here so much, isn't it? I didn't realize that I was like fairly like okay up here. I only just realized recently I'm a double D. So I think I may decide just to be a bit less strenuous in this area. I like it. It's so cute, so girly and really fun, and I want to show off my body, you know, a little bit. Why not? Like, it's giving me European vibes or like Sex and the City vibes, you know, some nice monologues. It'll be amazing, right? But yeah, I just love the outfit. It's just really cute and girly. Just paired it up with my jeans that I recently got from Zara. So this piece is £23 and I got it in a size small, but I'm 32 double D, so I think I should upgrade to a size medium so that the buttons don't struggle. Jeans, I got them in a 38. I believe they were £25. Don't quote me though, I'll put a link in them. They're really cute. They do have a bit of a gap on the waist. I haven't really been eating. I lost my appetite a bit, so they look a bit big for me, but they're actually perfect. And then I got this white bodysuit for 12 quid. Pretty nice, decent standard. I don't like bodysuits, to be honest. Like, I don't like the whole tying them up. I never do it. I just kind of leave it and then just squidge them in. But yeah, long sleeve, nice top. Everyone needs a nice white top. They are perfect for summertime. When you're feeling a bit lazy, like this outfit, put some Air Force Ones. Spring, summer, done. It's £12 and I got it in a size small. We all need basics. Yeah, cute. I got this black top as well, but I don't really like it. It's just a bit too bare and don't know, it's just uncomfortable to wear. I hate these tops because I love the way they look online and on other people, but when I put them on, I just don't find them comfortable. It's just so cold here. I can just feel the breeze. And it just looks great on. Like, I know, I looked at myself in the mirror, I was like, oh, I look so cute and chic, but I don't like it and I don't feel comfortable, and that's really important, to feel comfortable in what you're wearing. Material is great, fabric quality is amazing. Bit on the short side, would have liked it to be a little bit longer just to give me a bit more coverage. It's so important to be riding up. Very supportive. I'm not wearing a bra and I feel great. And I didn't need to zip or anything, just literally stretchy enough, just put it over your head or even the other way. It's £23, which is kind of expensive for a top. I'm just a cheapskate recently. It's because I've nearly like got everything in my wardrobe, like, you know, I'm not really a top girl, I'm a dress girl. I can never have too many dresses. But yeah, I'm not loving it. I'll give you some more action though. Here's a side action. And here's the back. Cute. And here's the next dress. A knit dress. Not really feeling it. Some of the fabric went on my lipstick, which isn't great. Yeah, the print, I think it looked really nice on the website, but then I bought it and I'm like, it's kind of basic and boring. And I'll probably wear it once and then I'll never wear it again. And I don't want those pieces anymore in my wardrobe. I want things that are stunning, gorgeous, that I can wear multiple times. Or if it's just one occasion, it needs to be just incredible, you know? Or like one occasion a year or something. Like bridesmaid dresses. You're not going to wear them all the time, but you do need a good bridesmaid dress. Yeah. Long sleeve, good material, not itchy at all. I have to say that, like, this is the inside, so it's not itchy at all. Kind of a bit short, but it's enough for me. It's so amazing. It's not a dress, it's a jumper and a skirt. So two-toned, you got like the animal print, and then another animal print like stripes, and then polka dot, not polka dots, dots. Anyway, yeah. Oh, so gorgeous, so beautiful. Yeah, so you can see the sleeves, you've got the dots here, and then the stripes on the other side. Really, really nice. Quite oversized, but yeah, it's cute. Really, really like it. And super warm and soft, not itchy at all. Ooh, £45, and I got it in a size small. It does also come with its own like cardigan jacket, which is so crazy. And that same print with that gorgeous green. How much is this? £50, and I got this in size small. I think it's a bit much with everything. I would pair it up with some high boots, because I love high boots. Oh my god, so many buttons. It's so heavy. You're gonna stay so warm. So some tights, high boots. Oh my god. Okay, the cardigan I think is too much. I think the jumper is enough by itself. The cardi and the thing, yeah, it's a lot. I think you'd get really, really hot. So maybe the cardigan with just a plain black top.